When you're building a website, it's really important to have an engaging, well-organized page. The same can really be said about your Blackboard site. Let's take a look at the default landing page for almost all Blackboard sites at William and Mary. Do you or your students use any of this stuff? If not, this is a really wasted opportunity. While most faculty members never change their landing page, we're going to show you how to create a landing page that actually enhances your course and helps strengthen the student's learning experience. I'm Mike Blum, and I'm here with my colleague Kat Wargo with the Studio for Teaching and Learning Innovation. And Kat's going to talk a little bit about the landing page from a learning perspective, and then I'll come back and I'll talk about how to accomplish the things that Kat is going to suggest here.
Hi, I'm Kat Wargo from the Studio for Teaching and Learning Innovation. One of the reasons that we might want to add a personalized landing page to our Blackboard site is to make it more visually appealing. We also want to take time right from the start of a class to establish our own instructor presence by introducing ourselves and by introducing the course. This is a great way to pull students in, to get them excited about learning with you. Another reason is that we always want to be thinking about how we can make our courses more intuitively navigable so that students can focus their efforts on attaining the content rather than trying to find it. Just remember, a landing page doesn't have to be static. You may need different things at the end than you did at the start of the course. So don't be afraid to update and customize it as you go. So now that we know kind of what we want to achieve with a landing page, let's see how we can get there. Mike, I want to introduce myself as an instructor and provide an outline for the course. I want to communicate who I am and what the class is about. So how might I go about that in a compelling way?
Kat, that's a great question. On this site, you'll find 4 different modules that discuss each of these points in turn, and you can return to them as often as you like so that you get the content that you need when you need it. In the first module, we'll be giving you some tips about how to make your site and your landing page more visually appealing. In the second module, we'll be talking about how you can personalize your landing page to really bring yourself into the course. In the third module, we'll be talking about navigation. How can you get your students to get to the place they need by jumping through the fewest hoops possible? And finally, in the fourth module, we'll be giving you some tips about how you can keep that landing page fresh with new content. If you've got an exam coming up, why not refer to a review session or some other content that they might need to give them a leg up on taking that exam? Anyway, you can look at all these in turn, you can take your time looking at them, and as always, if you need extra help, please reach out to us at STLI@wm.edu, and we'll be happy to have a consultation with you.